creating, editing, and deleting quotes. To create a new quote, follow these steps. Navigate to the quotes table as shown. Once there, click on the New Quote button, which will open a flyout allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. It is recommended to fill in as many relevant fields as possible to maintain good record keeping. Note: the following fields are required: date, customer, include tax on quote lines, and status. Click on Create and Open. Once the new quote page opens, you will notice the quote line items section about halfway down the page. Click New Quote Line to start adding all the individual line items. Enter all relevant details into the flyout window. Please note the following fields are required: quantity and unit price. By default, there is a 10% tax rate on quote items to account for GST. This can be changed to no tax, NA, a fixed tax amount, fixed, or a fixed tax amount per unit, fixed per quantity, by adjusting the choice in the tax category field. A discount can be applied on each line item as a fixed amount, discount amount, or as a percentage, discount percentage. Once you have completed those details, click Create. Follow the previous steps to add each additional quote line as required. Editing a quote. Once on the quotes list view, locate the quote you wish to edit either by scrolling through the list or using the search bar. Double-click on the quote item to open it. Edit any relevant fields on the quote page as needed. If you wish to edit the quote lines, simply find the quote line you wish to edit, click on the title, edit any relevant fields, then click Save and Close. Once you have finished editing the quote, click on Save. Deleting a quote. It is not recommended to delete a quote. Instead, change its status to voided. This way, you can maintain a record of all quotes. However, if you need to delete a quote due to incorrect data entry or a duplicate entry, you can do so as follows. As a quote contains sub-items, it is best practice to delete the sub-items or quote line items before deleting the main quote item. To do this, select the quote you wish to delete. Select all line items from within the quote view, then click Delete Line Items. This will